Is it poblado? Poblado is not good, man.
Oh, so you love it here?
No, where is better, man.
Yeah, it's more
local.
more local.
More culture.
Yeah,
More Colombian.
more Colombian.
More Spanish.
Laureles is really good.
Flat.
But I think if you watch my videos, I say it a lot of times, right?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
say poblado.
You
Lots
li-
of working.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Todo de tiro de esquina para Qatar, gratis. A levantar esa pelota por parte del conjunto qatarí. Balón por arriba, saltan los hombres, queda la pelota abierta. Rechazando Colombia, tiene que sacarle de allá. Desde arriba, busca la velocidad de desafío. Gira para que venga el Milan. Mucho día, saca la batería,
de su cerebro, de sus decisiones técnicas, salió lo mejor, lo más inteligente de Colombia.
Interpretando el partido cuando estaba cerrado.
Colombia grita gol. Colombia scream goal. It's crazy here, man.
Si no tenía arreglo
Super
de
crazy.
y cuando ya está el 1-0 entendía
Yeah,
perfectamente que
football games are like holidays.
Yo digo que en el fútbol las mentes ágiles mueven muy bien las piernas rápidas, y ahí es donde yo creo que está el tema importante de Colombia.
It's crazy.
este juego a favor del equipo colombiano. Se llama James Rodríguez para quitarse el sombrero.
So this is a proud nation, man. Very proud. When it comes to football, they are super proud. Yeah, these are the real streets right now as the game goes on. This is La 70 in Laureles area. I always recommend you guys to always come here because it's one of the best areas, you know. You get food, you get everything you need right here.
Era un hombre de mucho más peso, de más incidencia del ataque. Tienes que igual no se discute con los técnicos que los goles se respetan. Decía una que mancha la ficha que fue una autoridad del año 1938.
Yeah, man. So this is amazing. The whole street is painted with Colombian flags. People are drinking and It's a proud country. It's so beautiful to see. So you can buy your local jersey right there, you know? Yeah. Football. Today is on Wednesday. But I'm telling you, the party here is just started. Yeah, it's so strong. Yeah. Oh, I see my friend. She's my friend. I hope she doesn't remember me. Hey, ¿qué pasó? ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Grabando el fútbol.
¿Fútbol?
Yeah, habla.
No, estoy como una loca.
No, está
Estoy muy
bien.
fea, ¿no?
She's very sensitive with her look.
Amigo, ve, las camisas, ayúdame, cómprame una.
No.
Te la dejo barata. Mira mi bebé, te la presento. Mi chiquita.
Oye, no. Oh, ¿cómo estás?
Y ya está vendiendo
nombre
banderas.
es?
Valeria, digo.
Valeria. Yo caminando, ¿eh?
Mira, te traje la riñonera.
They're selling some stuff here, you know.
La riñonera.
Okay, nos vemos.
Is it poblado? Poblado is not good, man.
Oh, so you love it here?
Laureles is better, man.
Yeah, it's more
Local.
more local.
More culture.
Yeah,
More Colombian.
more Colombian.
More Spanish.
Laureles is really good.
Flat.
But I think if you watch my videos, I say it a lot of times, right?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
say poblado.
You
Lots
li-
of working girls.
Yeah, exactly. So you're gonna leave it.
Lots of gringos.
Yeah. Hey, your name is? Paul.
From Australia.
Oh, from Australia. Okay, man.
He's a big YouTuber, man. He's got like 100,000 subscribers.
Close to, yeah.
Very big YouTuber.
Actually, this video may be out. I don't know if it's too late, but maybe tonight. Yeah, it's gonna be out. Yeah. Okay, man. I'll see you. It's nice to see you, man.
Keep
Okay.
doing your videos, man.
Thank you, bro.
Take care.
Okay, bro. Thank you. Honestly, nowadays I can't walk without meeting somebody who knows me. It has been, yeah, many times when I walk, I meet a lot of people who give me good energy. Yeah, it's really hard to walk without meeting somebody who knows me, you know, nowadays. Yeah, thank you, bro. If you're watching this, I want to say thank you for your time. Yeah, man, Colombia, I love Medellin. And you've heard what you say. He told you this place is more local. This place is more really Colombian, you know. El Poblado is really contaminated. So come to Laureles Estadio, one of the best places, you know. Really, you'll have the Colombian feeling or feel or touch. I love you guys, you know. Every time you watch my videos, you're supporting me. Okay, we are crossing the road. So it's actually my last night here, man. Yeah, ensure you support your boy Amarwa. Go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. Support your boy right there, man. More videos of Colombia coming. It has been a nice ride, you know, up and down. But I can say, all in all, it's amazing. All in all, it has been amazing. Yeah, so guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for your time. Support your boy, I am Marwa. So we're going that way, but my camera is not accepting the reaction. I mean, the change. Yeah, support your boy, I am Marwa all the time, man. Yeah, we work really hard here in the streets. Okay, so.
Caballeros, niños, niñas, locos de la promoción de vidrios templados, vidrios a 3.000 pesos mío, vidrios para todo tipo de celular, vidrios para todo tipo de celular a 3.000 pesos instalados. Oiga, se instaló el vídeo, amigo. Se instaló el vídeo, se cambió ese vídeo quebrado, ese vídeo roto para su damas, caballeros, niños, niñas, logros de la promoción de vídeos templados, vídeos a 3.000 pesos, mijo, vídeos para todo tipo de celular, vídeos para todo tipo de celular a 3.000 pesos instalados. Oiga, se instala el vídeo, mijo, se instala el vídeo, se cambia ese vídeo quebrado.
So the game is over right now, and people go home. Post-production. Yeah. People are drinking and listening to music. Romantic souls of Colombia. You know. Yeah, so Medellin, Colombia, man. Yeah, that's Medellin, Colombia. As I sign out this video, you should go follow me on Instagram. Show me some love there, man. Yeah, also follow people who I tag there most of the time. Working hard here down, man. Support your boy, share my videos, man. Hit that subscription button, you know. And I love you all, man, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, ciao, ciao. Yeah, come to Medellin, Colombia, and stay here in Laureles or Estadio area. One of the best areas to stay. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. I know even you're not seeing me because it's too dark. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
Oakland,